Okay, guys, it's Thursday, which means I'm at our lifetime homestead again this week. So, last week I was working and I was in New Jersey. So, this week I finally got everything for the house. Uh, Everything for the bathroom and everything for the entrance. There's a room over there. So today's plan, Thursday, I'm gonna remove this ugly floor. Okay, it's painted. It's actually tile under that paint, but it has to go out. And also I'm gonna remove this toilet bowl and install the new one. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove that cabinet, remove I guess the toilet bowl and start, busting all this apart. So it's gonna be very, very fun tonight. Okay, so this is the plans for this week. Okay, and I probably gonna be finishing this by tomorrow, hopefully, because for tile it needs like 24 hours to dry up. And next one we're doing this room, this ugliness. Okay, so all this area is vacuumed, and I don't know, feels like better right now, like smells better, I would say, because it smells like dog in here. Oh my God, it's horrible. But I'm gonna get rid of that smell. I promise you. So, you ready, guys? Let's go. As you can see, I picked up some stuff from New Jersey. I brought it here. A couple of our bicycles, some gas canisters. Also, this is from my truck. I will tell you someday the story, but this is from Freightliner Cascadia. I'm gonna put them in the garage. Got hand truck, some trowels for today's job, see? And right there I got all the flooring on the other side, but before I get to it, I need to clean all this stuff. Okay, so hand truck is loaded. And you know what? I like that we got this ramp for now. It's very comfortable. Otherwise, it would be much more complicated for me. But this way, boom, boom, and you're already inside. Wonderful. Let me take you with me on this beautiful journey. Okay, so I removed all the drawers, and it seems like it's gonna be super easy. There's 1 screw, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. Then we're gonna disconnect this P-trap. Actually, it's not even P-trap. It's I don't know what to call it. It's like a U-turn trap. Okay, also 2 water lines, and I believe I'm just gonna pick this cabinet up and it's gonna be free. Sometimes it sucks to be by yourself, like most of the times, I would say. Whew. So moments later, and Johnny is gone. That's it. What did I do? Oh my God. Okay, let's start demolition. Oh gosh, it will take me forever. I think. See, it goes slowly, one by one. Look what I found, guys. Oh my god. There's hardwood floor in here. And they put cement board on the top of it, which makes my life so much easier. Look at this. Oh. And floor is gone. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I'm so happy I found this. Oh, that will make it so much faster. Little by little, we find surprises. See, there's a big hole in it. Oh my god, holes everywhere. Okay, have left. Good. So now I will make sure my floor is leveled. Okay, I'm gonna keep this for now because later on I'm gonna change all these walls. Okay, this ugly wall is gonna go out, this ugly wall is gonna go out, but as soon as I have, no, as long as I have this floor nicely finished, it's okay. I can remove pipe, I can remove the wall later and change it later. Okay, shower tub is good, tile over there is beautiful. I just need to do some work above the window over there, and this is it, guys. Took me like 3 hours to clean all this up, but it's ready for you know, for the underlayment and then for the tile. Okay, let's get it going. That's little DIY hack for you guys. So I couldn't find, I forgot my mixer, like attachment for mixer. So what I used, I just used that. You know, it's a hooks for the board that they sell in Home Depot. I just cut it and it works just fine. Look at that. See, it's like me making a cake, piece of cake. And I didn't know this one, guys. Like, I'm setting up my tile right now, and oh my god, if you read this label over here, it's crazy. It's like, it will cause cancer, the skin will burn, the eye will damage, and other. There's a lot of stuff. So basically this is like nuclear waste. Basically the same thing. They saying like you're gonna die. If you're gonna put this in the house and it will fly away from that bag, you will die. Crazy, right? Okay guys, so the first step is finished. Oh my god, it was kind of like challenging. Let's look from here. So guys, let me know what you think. Okay, do I really suck at it or it's okay? Okay, I'm waiting for your comments, and I guess I'll see you next week on the next one, because next week I'm gonna be finishing tile. So yeah, let it dry for 24 hours and I'm going back to New Jersey, and I guess I'm done in here for this week. Only one day, but what can you do, right? Okay, bye bye guys. Sign up for the channel, okay? Bye.